What is up, Vicky fam? It is your girl Cara here, and I am back at it again with another video. So this video is going to be about my wash and go routine. So if you guys want to see how I achieved these results, stay tuned. Alrighty, Vicky fam, so starting off with this wash and go, I have already co-washed in the shower and I detangled as well. So I detangled with my Denman brush and I co-washed my hair with the Main Choices Pink Lemonade and Coconut Conditioner. Love this stuff. I'm pretty much almost out. I just have that little bit left, so I have like one more use that I can use with this stuff. Love this stuff. It smells so good. So like I said, detangled, co-washed in the shower, and my hair is in a ponytail under this Main Choice microfiber towel. Love this towel just because other towels, like the cotton towels, break my hair off and it makes it super dry and takes out too much moisture, whereas a microfiber towel doesn't cause that much damage, and this is the perfect size for my head. But anywho, this isn't sponsored or anything. None of these products, disclaimer, none of these products that I'm using in this video is sponsored at all. This is just all stuff that I bought with my own money and I just use. And on top of that, I mix and match products. So my hair is already detangled and all that jazz from the shower. This is it. It's pretty damp, but I do have a spray bottle here I got from Amazon, just if I need more moisture throughout this whole thing. So yeah, let's get this thing started. When it comes to my hair, I work in sections and I put these products in separately, and I use these little butterfly clips to do so. So we got that. So for my wash and goes, I normally like to stick to at least 2 products, and that's it, because when I'm doing a wash and go, I need to get up, go, I have somewhere to be, and I don't have time to baby my hair. So the 2 products that I'm going to be using is from Melanin Haircare. I am using their Twist Elongating Style Cream. This stuff has lasted me a pretty long time, and you get so much product. I love this stuff. It's super hydrating and moisturizing. It's bomb stuff. I'm gonna have to get some as soon as I run out. And my second product is a curl stimulator, or a jelly, or whatever you want to call it, and it's from Uncle Funky's daughter. So it's their Curly Magic curl stimulator, and this stuff is super bomb. Like this gives me bomb definition, and it doesn't give me that super crunchy hold, but it's like, it's just enough. Like I can't say enough good things about this stuff, and I've only used it for about a week or so and I love it. And I found this at Target. So I bought this at Target and I got this online at melanin.com. melaninhaircare.com, I believe. I'll link it down below for you guys. So first step, hydrating cream. So I just like to take just a little swig and work that through my section. Ooh, and I put the product on and my hair was a little dry. Okay, you know what? This has to work in a little bit more, so I'm gonna spray this. Great, we're doing the video and I didn't even bother to refill this. It's fine. One moment. All right, fam, so I'm back. I refilled the water bottle. Don't mind me, new YouTuber problems. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray and just wet the section just a little bit, because it was a little on the dry side. Damp, but you know, I like my hair a little soaking so that once I start adding the product in, it's easier for my hair to absorb and work through. But I love this water bottle, y'all. For you curly girls out there, if you are looking for a good hairspray bottle, Amazon, I promise you. This has a continuous spray to it, so you know, you don't have to keep spraying, because I don't know, for me, I have carpal tunnel and my wrist hurts. Like it's this whole ordeal, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna wet this section. Pow. Okay, so it's wet enough, it's good. Let me get my front. Okay. Then we're gonna grab some more product. It's about that much. And then work it into this section. So when I'm washing and going, Prey method for me usually. I just have to grab each section and literally just quickly work the product in because I'm washing and I'm going, okay? Like, this is when I'm in a rush in the morning. In the morning or throughout the day, if I decided to get ready a little late and got caught up doing what I wasn't supposed to be doing, hence, like, you know, getting ready instead of procrastinating and getting ready late, this is my go-to. So I'm pretty sure you guys got the gist of this. I'm just gonna fast forward. Disclaimer. So when I'm working products through my hair, I only like to work, I like to build up my products because I can't use too much cream. It tends to weigh my hair down. So I have to, I don't know, I have to work the cream into my hair little by little just to get the perfect ratio for my hair. Just because sometimes creams and oils do weigh my hair down. So I have to use it. Well, I have to use those products sparingly because if I do too much, it will weigh my hair down and my hair, it won't bounce, it won't do anything. It'll just sit flat and it'll look literally like this when it's dry if I use too much product. And then I'll have to wash my hair and it'll be this whole big thing that ain't nobody got time for, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, just working the product through my hair. And when it comes to this, I'm not perfect at all whatsoever. Like, I don't pay attention to, oh, am I getting all of my sections, because I'm in a rush. And I'm pretty sure I've said that a million times within the last 5 minutes. Bear with me. So I'm done with the cream and I am now moving on to putting the Curly Magic curl stimulator. Like, love this stuff. I need to go try this line because love it. So back to business. So we're gonna do the same thing. Gonna clip these sections out the way and work it out. So I like to do a pump. This stuff has amazing, just amazing slip, okay? Like, and you don't need a lot of it. Like, it's so good. Prey method, I tell ya. But when I am feeling saucy and I do have extra time, I do like to take my Denman brush and brush through my section like this. And that just helps with more definition for me. And when I do comb the section out, I take it from the bottom up like this. I'll do it again one more time. Pow, like this. Just because it gives me more volume. Because if I go down or above the hair shaft like this, it weighs my hair down a bit, but I want as much volume as possible. You guys see what it did? You see, like, I just pow. Come on, curl definition. And when you're done, I like to scrunch my hair, and I don't know if you guys could hear the wetness of my hair. That's how your curls should sound when you add product to them. That's just for me personally. Just because I know that my hair is fully saturated with the product and I'm not missing anything. If that makes sense. I don't know. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. We'll see. So again, I'm gonna take this section when I'm feeling saucy and comb it up a few times and scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Pow, check her out. So fun fact, I got my first curly girl haircut back in September of 2019. And it was my first cut and first experience with a curly girl specialist. And I have no idea what I was doing my whole life. None. Like, not the slightest idea. Because what I would do is I would straighten my hair maybe once or twice a week, and literally I would go to Supercuts, guys. Oh, I know, the cringe, right? So I'd go to Supercuts and then just get my ends trimmed, and it was just a hotmess.org. And on top of that, I would wear buns all the time. So I had long curls, but they were not healthy at all whatsoever. So September, got my first curly girl cut, and my life is changed. So I live here in Vegas, and I go to Radically Curly Salon at the Sola Salons here in Henderson, Nevada. And my stylist name is Danielle Green. Let me tell you, like, I love her, but not only her, her daughter in the salon, as well as I think the other girl's name is Tiara, but vibes in that salon, amazing. But I don't know what I was doing, but she saved my curls, y'all. Like, my curls used to be like halfway down my back, but it was not healthy at all. So, you know, we started from scratch detached, and now my hair is just so much healthier, so much manageable. Like, it's dope. It's dope. If you have never had a curly girl cut, I would definitely find a stylist in your area just to help you, because I swear the haircut and maintaining your hair is so much easier and just so much better for your hair overall. I know I'm probably babbling, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. So like I said, just run it through. Get under here. Run it through. Then I'm gonna scrunchy, scrunchy, scrunchy. So that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna do one more pump and set my hair on the bottom and down. And I flipped. But I love how easy it is to style my hair. It's much shorter than what I'm used to, but I would trade the hair that I had for this any day, just because it's so much manageable and it's so much healthier, and I just absolutely love it. My goal, my hair care goal, is to definitely be at bra strength, bra strap. We're gonna start over. So my goal is to definitely get to bra strap length. Just need to maintain my hair care. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's a work in progress. So, all right, y'all. So that's pretty much it for the wash and go. So what you can do is you could just leave it like this and air dry. Most days, that's all I do is air dry, because I don't have time. But if you have a little bit more time, I would just diffuse, and I'm gonna go off camera and diffuse really quick. I did not bring my blow dryer, so I have just a Revlon blow dryer with a diffuser attachment. It's super old and kind of janky. I need a new one, but you know, gotta work with what you got. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse, and I will be right back with the final results. What up, fam? And this is the finished result of my wash and go. So when I left, I diffused my hair for about 2 to 5 minutes, not anything major. And then right after that, I ate and did some stuff around the house and let it air dry the majority of the time. And it's still, I want to say, about maybe 20 to 15% wet, not anything too crazy, but still a little damp. But this is pretty much my results. I did not part my hair at all. I just let it dry where it wanted to dry. And then usually, just so that my hair is out of my face, I go ahead and I clip it here at the front. But if I wanted to wear my hair parted to the side, usually I'll do that right after I put the product in, or sometimes if I'm feeling saucy, I'll do it right before I start sectioning my hair off and putting the product in. But this is pretty much my go-to as of right now for the past few weeks for a wash and go. I love the two products together. It doesn't flake or anything, and throughout the week, if I need a refresher, all I do is take my water bottle, spray my hair, scrunch it up, and usually it activates the product that's already in my hair. But if I do spray and nothing's cooperating, then I'll take just a little bit of this curl stimulator to refresh. But that's pretty much it. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If there are any video ideas that you want to see at all, please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Get the conversations going, and be mindful when you're done in the comment section, and don't forget to be kind. I just want to create a space here on YouTube where everybody can pretty much, for the most part, get along. I understand that people are entitled to their opinions, but I do want to create a positive space. So any positive feedback, I'm all for it. If you guys want to follow me on my other social media platforms, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Thick Fit and Pretty. So until next time, stay blessed.